Copyright information. All information presented here is the exclusive intellectual property of L.S. Larkey and Atlantean Astrology, LLC. This is not just another book, it is a monumental revelation. The unified theory of you unveils unprecedented truths about gravity, the cosmos, our solar system, sacred geometry, the flower of life, the true origins of the moon, and a newly resurrected understanding of astrology through divine illumination. These insights, never before disclosed to humanity, promise to transform your understanding of existence itself. Prepare to embark on a journey that transcends the ordinary and touches the very fabric of the universe. To delve deeper into these extraordinary revelations, secure your copy of this groundbreaking work on Amazon. Unauthorized reproduction or distribution of this material is strictly prohibited. Prepare to embark on a journey that transcends the ordinary and touches the very fabric of the universe. The secret to living for 1,000 years. The idea that we could discover how to live for a millennium may seem outlandish, yet humanity's quest for the elixir of life is as old as civilization itself. Our recent insights from the book, The Unified Theory of You, suggest that the Great Pyramid of Giza operates on principles of sacred geometry, potentially extending life and elevating consciousness. It appears that the pyramid profoundly influenced the third dimension, channeling energy from the 10th dimension and radiating it from the 6th to the 9th dimensions, across Egypt and possibly beyond. This leads to a new understanding of how people actually lived during biblical times for centuries before the Great Flood. After the deluge, the pyramid's circuit was severed due to the Nile's recession, causing it to cease functioning over time. Our solar system can be likened to a molecule, structured within a three-dimensional, 10-pointed Star of David, dividing it into upper and lower worlds. The 5 physical planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, and Pluto, represent the lower worlds, while the interdimensional planets, Sun, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, form the upper worlds. This 10-pointed, supersymmetric 10-dimensional structure aligns with the sacred geometry known as the flower of life. The Great Pyramid of Giza can be regarded as a fractal generator of the subtle magnetic field that permeates its surroundings. Its vibrations correlate with higher dimensions, artificially terraforming the third dimension with higher states of vibration and consciousness. The Bible contains passages where people are said to have lived for hundreds or even 1,000 years, which might seem like a miscalculation. However, this could be due to the heightened awareness and vibrancy before the Great Flood. The Great Pyramid, by emitting energy from the 10th dimension and radiating it through the 6th to the 9th dimensions, likely extended lifespans by terraforming the third dimension into higher energetic states. Snowflakes, with their intricate hexagonal patterns, provide a natural example of sacred geometry. Each snowflake made of water absorbs and reflects the consciousness around it, mirroring the flower of life. This is why snowflakes exhibit 10-pointed hexagonal symmetry, representing both the lower and upper worlds. Water, essential for all living things, serves as a bridge between these worlds, existing in both physical and energetic states, and transmitting higher dimensional energies. Similarly, the Great Pyramid of Giza, constructed with precise geometric alignment, functions as a supersymmetric structure. Connecting this structure to the world's oceans creates a fractal generator that emanates energy from all 10 dimensions, terraforming the Earth's surface into higher energetic states. With higher dimensions becoming more prominent near the Earth's core, this process culminates in the subtle magnetic field of the 10th dimension. If we were to reside within the Earth, it stands to reason that we could live for millennia. This is due to our planet's 10-dimensional composition, where proximity to the Earth's center increases exposure to higher dimensions and consciousness. Positioning ourselves adjacent to the subtle magnetic field at the planet's core would place us within the 9th dimension, enhancing our vibrational frequency. Consciousness as a fractal and exponential construct is key to achieving longevity. As energy cascades down its fractal path, it becomes increasingly fundamental and dynamic, much like the energetic radiance around us. Exposure to elevated dimensions decelerates aging, a natural phenomenon resulting from residing in a higher vibrational frequency in a higher dimension. The storage of food items within pyramidal structures is observed to prolong their shelf life, suggesting that the principles affecting human longevity are analogous. The Great Pyramid's three-dimensional 10-pointed Merkaba, created by superimposing an inverted duplicate pyramid, embodies this principle. Viewing the structure face-on reveals a three-dimensional Star of David with 10 points, the 10-pointed Merkaba, central to our understanding. The phenomena within the fabric of space-time are commonly attributed to supersymmetry and consciousness. The 10-pointed Merkaba, though not visually observable, undoubtedly exists. The pyramid, while perceptible, harbors an invisible inverted pyramid that overlays its physical structure. This interdimensional pyramid, crucial to comprehending our concept, allows higher dimensions to interact with the Nile waters and the Earth's atmosphere, creating a supersymmetric fractal generator. This generator activates subtle magnetic fields in the 6th, 7th, 8th, and 9th dimensions. The energy between the sky and the Earth, including thunderstorms and the Great Pyramid of Giza, can be harnessed and transformed through a process known as terraforming into higher dimensions. This phenomenon, though not visible, raises the land's vibration in Egypt. As the fractals of consciousness expand, they elevate the land's consciousness, assisting humans in living longer by altering cellular behavior. If one desires to live for 1,000 years, creating a fractal generator or subtle magnetic field energy generator using sacred geometry may be the solution. From a theoretical standpoint, it is possible to construct a fractal, subtle magnetic field generator. While we may not yet have the capacity to reconstruct the Great Pyramid of Giza, we can produce a smaller version. A miniature pyramid designed to connect to the world's oceans could extend the lifespan and elevate the consciousness of a small community. Alternatively, we could develop a more personalized device, such as a 10-pointed Merkaba crystal, resonating with an individual's frequency to harness subtle energy directly. By attuning to higher vibrations, individuals can activate energy from the 6th to the 9th dimension, shifting their energetic field and increasing their vibrations. This process results in a higher energetic state, potentially extending life akin to the fictional Highlander. When holding the 10-pointed Merkaba, every cell in the body responds to a higher vibration. Although the fabric of space-time may not appear to change, it is affected, potentially fooling the body into thinking it exists within a higher dimension. Consequently, one might live 10 times longer within that dimensional realm. The concept of speed is not absolute. The speed of light, representing the fastest speed within a single level of fractals of dimensions, increases exponentially as light fractals through dimensions. This suggests no maximum speed limit, allowing infinite light speed travel. The relationship between the speed of light and lifespan is relative to dimensions and fractals through space-time. Observing a snowflake under a microscope reveals fractals within its geometric structure, expanding energetically in space-time. Simulating an environment within the Earth, we see the relationship between the relative vacuum, space-time, and consciousness. Everything in the universe is consciousness, and space-time becomes one with it. The RVS is responsive to the subtle magnetic field, causing transformations in material world parameters, including aging processes. For more information about the relative vacuum of space and the subtle magnetic field, feel free to explore the book Gravity by L.S. Larkey or The Unified Theory of You by L.S. Larkey. Additionally, you're welcome to watch the hundreds of videos on our YouTube channel, Atlantean Astrology, that articulate these new phenomena and provide a deeper understanding of gravity and space-time.